Hello everyone, my name is Hendra Komara. I am from Indonesia. I am happy because today I can participate in the ICTL 2020 conference teaching education and learning. And now I will explain the article I wrote, where this article aim to explore about student engagement, literature review. Author Hendra Komara, Juntika Nurisan, Ilviandra, Educational Psikologi, Studi Program Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Bandung, Indonesia. In this abstract, student engagement in the learning process is considered important. This article aims to explore student engagement research. The method used in the article is descriptive analysis with literature review. And then scope, student aware definition of student engagement, dimension of student engagement, and measurement of student engagement. The benefit of this article that is profits basis for thinking for research in conducting research on student engagement. The result of the literature review found that the term student engagement is still developing. Some experts have found that there are differences in the dimension of student engagement. The measurement instrument used in the student engagement research are relatively old, so it's necessary to update new instrument that adapts to current condition. Then T and while debating our student engagement in the learning process is important. The level of attention and then effort, presence, positive emotion, interest, and motivation along with student commitment to learning. And then Abraham Barker, Clem and Connell saw important for education and development of processing and decision making. Ron Wong and Frederick, personal development, Lee Lerner, Troller, and profit benefit is socializing welfare, satisfaction with life and learning. And then another picture, the first. Student engagement is a conditioning that students need to learn. This happens because when students actively participate in learning activities, they will acquire skill and knowledge. Second, student engagement provides experience for students in daily life at school, both psychology and social. And the third, student engagement and is important contributor to student academic development. Engagement is part of the daily academic resiliency process and energy research that helps students to overcome stressor, challenge, and failure in that school. And then purpose of research. This article about student engagement was created with the aim to exploring student engagement based on several journals with review literature. The methodology or method one, compare finding similarities among several literature, then drawing conclusion about the similarities, and two, contrast, finding difference between several literature, then drawing conclusion about the differences from the journal. And three, criticize, which provided on overall view of the journal article to be studied. And four, summarize, summarizing or repeating the result of several journal or article using their own sentence and easy to understand. Focus on strategy. Article use focus on original empirical research article or research article that contain the result of actual observation or experiment where there are abstract introduction, method, and result. And finding overall from more journal, student engagement is a psychological process of students are evidenced in the form of attention, interest, and effort in the learning process, which envelops all psychological function with behavioral, emotional, and cognitive component. And then more upon engagement, Audas and Willems, the extent to its academic and non-academic. And then student engagement and Chapman, willingness to participate in routine school activities with cognitive, behavioral, and active indicator of student involvement in specific learning tasks. Natrialo, student participation in activities offered as part of the school program. Student engagement in academic work in the marks a psychological process that envelops the attention, interest, investment, and effort that students put into the learning process. Student engagement in work with school, master and Matsgawan, leadership, and participatory behavior in secondary school program, state of mind, and way of behaving. Clement Connell, ongoing engagement, behavioral, emotional, and cognitive component. And then dimension of student engagement, and one, behavioral. This is necessary component leads to direct participation and involvement in student activities at school, including attendance, participation in learning activities, observing rule, and doing assessment. And two, cognitive, where student involvement with the student learning process in the classroom with show that students are present not only in body but also in mind, including students paying attention, concentrating, focusing, observing, prospecting, and having. And three, dimension of student engagement, emotional. The third component of the engagement of student, which refers to a sense of the belong, the school, interest, perception of learning values, positive and negative reaction to teacher, friend, and school activities. Measurement of the student engagement. One, engagement based inspection with learning student reports EVSD Security Nirman, and two, high school survey of student engagement ICCE www.indiana.edu, and three, motivation and engagement scale. Four, school engagement measure MacArthur. 5, school engagement scale questionnaire. 6, student engagement instrument by Appleton et al. And more or less research on student engagement. Ini one, author Singer, Holzberg, Seidel, on title journal, all better than being disengaged. Student engagement pattern and their relationship to academic set concept and achievement. The method, observation, and then recent one in student engagement, and two, Grass, York, Kelly, exploring student engagement in online course. Metodenya case study. The found collaborative assignment can support student engagement. You may find exploring student engagement with peer feedback on L2 writing, method case study, funding student engagement with overall peer feedback. Students have positive affective engagement and extensive behavioral and cognitive engagement. Để liang men mình hoàn chào bày bề kong the journal promoting student engagement with teacher feedback through rebuttal writing atau observation resume the found writing rebuttal for teacher as a prompt of student improvement. Fatimah Al-Ibrahim, the article Perception of Student Engagement in the Played Classroom, a method case study finding repel positive and negative opinion depending on how they apply the inference classroom. Martin Sedekik, title journal atau title article student engagement and peer observation relationship connected to student participating classroom talk. Founding of student engagement cognitive development is influenced by their conversation with their peer in class. Conclusion found in the article student engagement file 1, based on the literature review that has been studied in the researcher made several assumptions, including the similarity compare of the same definition that the development of student is more likely to the extent of the form of student participant in the learning process. What distinguishes it the more the dimension used to measure student improvement, student engagement. Suggestion then from several studies that have been carried out, especially in 2020, they did not explore in depth student engagement, so that the suggestion for the next research should be to further explore the student engagement version of student teacher researcher version, so that the answer and finding will be very varied and very comprehensive. And now thank you for attention. See you next time. Goodbye.